A young Tiprasa from Melaghar Mohanbhog area was hit by a Hyundai Grand i10 vehicle bearing TR01BM 0713 number in a critical condition. The injured name is Sajal Debarma. He was first taken to Visramganj Hospital and later referred to Agartala GB Hospital. This incident happened in front of Visramganj petrol pump. Sajal Debarma from Melaghar Mohanbhog is living with his mother, a family of 2 persons. As such, he is the only man in the family who earns the living. On Wednesday, Sajal was talking on his phone near Visramganj petrol pump on the way to Agartala. At that time, he was badly hit by a Hyundai Grand i10 vehicle bearing TR01BM 0713 number, which was coming from Agartala. Visramganj Fire Service personnel immediately took him to the Visramganj Hospital after the accident. Later, he was referred to Agartala GB Hospital. Unfortunately, during the accident, Sajal Debarma broke his left leg and right hand.
Awam petrol bangko auto pengenai petrolan samata ke mandi pertayang. Oke ang kau kenene abaya suruh kau kena samata. Kaya kata cangkul saya bukan di sana karya saya kemana. Aku sih andi pengen kalau dia tak aceh bawa anak petrol lah uri samata.
Ini kaya kau running ya belum? Bahasa phone kau saya tu mana?
Phone kau kena berapa?
Laman saya tu no. Agar ikhlas juga biang thang tu mana?
Agar ikhlas apa? Jumpa tu mata.
Nakai?
Angki yang petrol bang itu Debra kita. Mana ikhlas boleh ke Debra?
Negari number mana?
Gari number tu sesuatu dia boleh. Gari thang sana hafal.
Agak aksen kau je aksen kena pakai final apa jangan orang apa?
Ni apa mesti final ni bro. Semestinya atas ada macam.
Kedabu, bukan tam naik tu. Kes tu baru kes tanah ini, Michelle tanah ini.
Apa tahu? Apa tu tisha kena belai ni. Tu kata yang dalam situation ni. Sekarang tu sekarang ni. Jadi baru jadi tu naik ni. Pura ni kita berkosi kan tu. Mana kosi?
Bukan baru dokumen kata apa sahaja dokumen kata.
Ya teknik, ani Debra ya teknik pura berkeren baca.
Soal tangga.
Bayman tertutup sokha. Tapi aro kasih semua je, tintan sokha.
Tapi alga dah kerana.
Kalau kan kota ampak kan kita pelak.
Kita operasional dah kaya ni ada.
Ini ya uti kaya kan. Bayi probably 10 tahun lah. Mesti ni hari 10 tahun. Saya kalau asal.
Sajal Debarma ni tam kelai.
Besar.
Tamu ni bawa bisa kamu mau bertinggal nak?
Accident nunggu kali.
Kau bawa biang aku telah pahit mana?
Biar thau nan pahit mana? Sekolah pahit mana ta?
Ngetai nok nuk ngetai kau sabu aji sabu soli bagai soli tengah.
Aji nak bawa macam ni aji nak. Barang macam.
Dah bos bisa kamu kelai jangan dah nok bagai soli ni.
Tam khasol ni yang tak cakap ni, jadi mana yang tong macam bos tong.
Nggak dah buk neng ni serani bagai buka polis apa jadi ke esok dah kaya.
Baru jadi ni mang sawani bersama kami sa kerja jalan mana ni kaba milinan thang na kerja jalan ni yang kaba kotor matang sini aja.
Kami ke boran ni.
Mohanbhog Anandapur.
After all this incident, the family members of the TR01BM 0713 vehicle driver came and visited him in the Agartala GB Hospital. However, Sajal Debarma said that if they don't pay for all the expenses needed for the treatment, he will file a case. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.